This is a gearbox assembly I made. You can go in here, you can see all the gears turning. Made each individual part except for the bolts.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Berto. Just having a really chilled out Saturday at the moment. You know, originally this video that you're about to see was originally for my cousin in Chicago. She wants to go into architecture, engineering. But one of the things I was telling her about was an excellent CAD program that we have at TCAD Chevyville. And they're doing a lot of amazing projects, even doing some hands-on and actually doing some community services. But one of the things I was telling her is that sometimes we underestimate the technical schools that are out there, especially the technical colleges here, and the opportunities we get. Actually, there's been a lot of grants that has been offered to our campuses, and we are actually, if you see this video, you're going to see that all the CAD students are going to get their own 3D printers. What's cool about this class is that you can take all three of these. And so you can graduate either going into architecture route, the mechanical route, or just the 3D printing route. You know, that's a growing industry at the moment. But enough talk. You know, this video was originally, like I said, for my cousin. But I thought since these guys, they didn't get prepared whatsoever, I just came out of the blue. I said, hey, I just want to film this for her. And they gave such a nice presentation that I thought I might share this out. So again, guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you get something out of it. And if you have more questions about the computer aid draft, at the end of this video, I'll put down the contact information and let you guys do it from there. So thank you guys again.
This is the house I'm working on right now, which has which you can see here. These are all the floors that are added into the house, where you can see like level 1. That's the main floor plan of level 1. Then you go into level 2. Then you can go into your basement, into any floor of the house you can think of. And then if you hit the 3D button, it shows it all in 3D. And then right now I have my graphics low, but then if I turn it high, you're about to see.
And you can do like interior designing as well?
Yeah, everything inside. Like, there you go. That's more also what it would look like, realistic view of it.
Nice.
Yeah, nice. And then, like I said, you can do interior design like right here.
And this is the exact software that people use for architecture.
Yeah, this is one of them.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, let's see, elevations. Let me see if I can go in here.
How many trimesters is for this program?
4.
4 trimesters? All right.
So you go a year long, and then you graduate, and then that's whenever you can do for your architecture side of it. But then if you go into the
yes, Alondra, you see that? That's what we do right there. No way. No, it's all good. And just another thing too, as you can see, they actually all have really good PC systems that we provide for them. They actually got some of the floor fans right here. And y'all also do it for outside projects as well, right?
Yeah. If you come over here, our guys have been working on an architecture project for a local church that we've been doing. And this is all the notes. These are all the plans. You can see here's the
okay, the benches where
the benches where they sit. The I forgot what it's called, but the piano you can see right there.
The choir stage kind of going on. She's Catholic, so she might like it.
Yeah, and there's just one of the sides, and here's another room. Here's another room.
So this is my other boy. He's the El Presidente of the SGA club right here.
Where's those donuts?
Oh snap! Here, I'll let you guys know about that. Hold on. So this is so you're going to the more mechanical side route, correct?
Yep. This is a gearbox assembly I made. You can go in here, you can see all the gears turning. Made each individual part except for the bolts.
And how long did that take? I know usually those take a pretty good while.
Yeah. Probably about 3 days of just working on this.
Oh my goodness. And that's the good thing about this campus is that you go at your own pace, right?
Yeah.
And you can go more advanced.
As fast as you want or as slow as you want, but it's always better to work ahead, I guess.
What are some of the things you have to consider, like the tolerances and stuff?
You had to get the right gear ratio in there to get the gears to turn together.
Juan just hit his back on that.
So I told you. You gotta think these have to go together. These are two different parts, but it's not bad. I like it.
This man's thinking about basketball at the moment.
I am.
It's an actual free day for us here. That's the cool thing about our campus too.
Yep.
So
That's about it.
that's awesome. Thanks, man.
Yep.
I understand. We're gonna hit the basketball court in a second. So, and also and this is. She actually made this through the 3D prints.
Program. You just put it in an SLT file, and then you put it into our program, which is called the Cura, and then that's what's going to put it into the 3D printed program.
Right.
So I literally just upload it, put it on a jump drive, put it over there.
And I by word of mouth, I heard y'all will probably get personal 3D printers for each computer. Is
Yeah,
that true?
that's what they've told us. We're also getting all new computers supposedly, so that's gonna be
nice.
really nice. It's gonna be a lot better for like our programs to run more efficiently.
Nice. So more monitoring for the IT class that we got here.
Yeah, you
No,
guys,
I'm just-
you guys gotta help us out
Nice.
a lot. Yeah.
And this is actually one of the things that
Yeah, you
she
can flip
does.
it around.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, I made it for Disney. I wore it in the parks. Yeah, so like this is actually like the front. Now, when I first originally printed these, like these were supposed to move, like the leaves were supposed to move, but I didn't put enough tolerance in, but I didn't have enough time to go back and fix it. So just printed it on there. Now this is all connected, which I did in the SolidWorks program. Like I fully designed it all in the SolidWorks program, knew what it was gonna look like, and just 3D printed it. Yeah, but each thing is printed separately.
What's more your focus right now? Is it
Mine's mechanical.
mechanical
But
side?
I'm gonna come back for the next semester to do architectural just to get it all out.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
I don't know why it's taking so long.
It's okay. It's the processing unit and all that good memory stuff.
Yeah.
It's understandable. Even as you can see here, actually, just a little footnote, that's actually a network drives. That they got network folders
Oh, okay.
shared on the network, so I can actually hack it.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
But it's okay. I won't.
Oh, thanks.
So, and they told me this one is actually more superior than the AutoCAD does. Is this true?
Oh, yeah. On SolidWorks is so much better than, me personally, I think it's so much better than AutoCAD. Now, this one actually is a little bit older than the file I made here because I had to redesign it so I could Velcro it. So there's like, it's great because you can go in and you can tweak and you can see what's going to fit and what's not going to fit. Like
Right.
each thing is like its own thing. Like I can pull up like each like leaf is its own thing. Like I can I import stuff, I take it out.
Okay.
But yeah, no, it's pretty fun. You can where'd it go? There it is.
Oh, nice.
So like you can go in and like I can see how it's gonna fit. Like there's a whole mechanism in here that's locking it all together.
So they actually does spin? It
It
can
was
even-
supposed to. That's the thing is that I didn't put enough tolerance in it, so when I push, because the two Simba heads, they lock in together, like you click in, and I put them, they're so tight that the leaves don't move. But if there was a little bit more tolerance, they would fully like move.
Okay, and that's actually one of the most important things is like understanding tolerances, and that's what you're.
Oh yeah, and there's like a whole lot of math to it.
Nice, and the math you can actually apply to these
Yeah.
courses that you got.
And that's the big thing about like mechanical and stuff right now too, is that's what we're learning.
Nice.
But
Would you?
I think the architectural is gonna be a lot more fun than the mechanical. Yeah, so I'm really kind of wish I went more on the architectural side, but I'm already halfway through mechanical, so might as well get both.
So you might as well finish up and then go
Keep
to.
going. Yeah.
That way you can always fall back to one of each.
And then it'll look better on your resume too.
Nice. Well, thank you very much. What is
Yeah.
your name?
My name is Allie.
Allie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
And that's actually one of the things she actually pulled off to actually create the 3D printer.
Yeah, they have like a whole program, like Thingiverse. Like I told you, you can just go on there, just download the file, and then you can edit it. In SolidWorks, you can pull it in, edit it, take stuff out. We made a wrench, we've been taking stuff out, and then it's your own thing then. So it's nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
So the ones, two. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video and found that information kind of useful to get in contact with the instructor here. I'll see if I can post a video about the class that I'm attending. It's very interesting as well. What a lot of people don't realize is a lot of fields are converging with each other, so why not try to learn both worlds, you know? Like for example, me, I learn industrial maintenance, and there's still a lot of things to learn from that field as well, but now I'm in the IT part where security is applied for PLCs. But in anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you.